we need to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x given this implicit equation. Right. So we have here y cubed minus 3xy squared. So this is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared y. What we'll do, we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. Let's do that. So we'll take the derivative term by term. So a derivative with respect to x of y cubed minus 3 times derivative with respect to x of x times y squared. This will be equals to derivative with respect to x of x cubed plus 3 times derivative with respect to x of x squared times y. Now, to find out the derivative of y cubed with respect to x, here what we'll do, we'll take the derivative with respect to y of y cubed, but we'll use the chain rule, so we'll have to multiply it with derivative of y with respect to x. Minus 3 times, so here we have a product of two functions, x times y squared. Let's use the product rule to get x times derivative with respect to x of y squared plus y squared times derivative of x with respect to x, which will be equals to, so we have derivative of x cubed, so we can use the power rule to get 3x squared plus 3 times, so here also we can use the product rule to get x squared times derivative of y with respect to x plus y times derivative with respect to x of x squared, which will give us, now we have derivative of y cubed with respect to y, so this will be 3y squared using the power rule, which will be multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x minus 3 times, so here we have derivative of y squared with respect to x. What we can do here is we can take the derivative of y squared with respect to y, but we'll use the chain rule and multiply it to dy over dx. So derivative of y squared will be 2y, so we'll have 2y times derivative of y with respect to x. So that means x will have x multiplied to 2y times derivative of y with respect to x plus y squared times derivative of x with respect to x, that's 1, which will be equals to 3x squared plus 3 times x squared multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x plus y times derivative of x squared will be 2x. So what we can do, we can take 3 as the common factor. We see the 3 is present in each of the terms on both the left hand side and the right hand side. So that will give us y squared times derivative of y with respect to x minus, so here we have 2 times xy times derivative of y with respect to x minus y squared equals to, so here we have already taken the 3 factored out 3, so we have x squared plus x squared times derivative of y with respect to x plus y times 2x. Right. Now what we'll do, we'll bring this x squared times 2y dy over dx to the left hand side. So we have y squared minus x squared minus 2xy multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x, and we'll transpose negative y squared to the, which will to the right hand side to get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now we can finally obtain derivative of y with respect to x, which will be equals to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared divided by y squared minus 2xy minus x squared, or we can say derivative of y with respect to x, that will be simply equals to, so in the numerator we have x plus y whole squared divided by y squared minus 2xy minus x squared. Right, so this is the required derivative.